may be able to stick on, potentially. Say your name and every single prayer. That's real love, it takes dedication. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been such a long time since I last uploaded. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's been just over 2 months. But as you can see, we're finally back as promised, and we're finally going to start doing some actual work to the Lexus IS300. And for any of you guys wondering why I was away for 2 months, I'm not going to take too long because I want to get straight to the video. Don't want to waste your guys' time. But obviously with college and school and just work, things have been hectic, and financial reasons as well. It hasn't been the easiest couple of months, and yeah, obviously being a car YouTuber, you obviously need money to work on your car, which is the fun part about being a car guy, spending money on cars. But yeah, we're back, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. We bought ourselves some universal side skirts, and before you guys get mad at me, can I just tell you how flipping expensive the TRD side skirts cost on the IS300? Like, bloody hell, man. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I can probably buy a car with the same amount of money. But yeah, we bought some universal side skirts, and I have actually installed them on the Golf before, which I'll leave a link. I use it as a front splitter, but this time we're going to be using it as side skirts. But just so you guys know, we are going to be installing these universal side skirts, but when in the future, and if I can get a cheap set of TRD side skirts, I'm definitely going to be removing these and installing the original ones on, because it will look much better. But for now, because we're still kind of broke, we're gonna be installing the universal ones. But you know what? I think it'll be good. You know, I think it'll be nice. Like, I don't think I've ever seen anyone with an IS200 with universal side skirts. So yeah, right, as you guys can see, we've got universal side skirts here, and you're probably thinking it doesn't really look much like side skirts at the moment because obviously it's rolled up. But yeah, these are made out of rubber, so obviously it's flexible. And let me just open one right now. But yeah, as you guys can see, I got two, one for each side. Let me just open it. And yeah, so we got double-sided tape on one side. That's that's where it's gonna stick to the vehicle. And then yeah, this part is gonna stick out. I'm not 100% sure, but if it's nice, it's gonna stay on. If it's not nice, we're taking it off. But yeah, and I think pretty sure this is 2.5 meters long. And here you guys have a closer look. That's how thick it is. The color is black. You know what? The color is pretty much the same as the Lexus as well, so it's gonna blend in nicely. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Oh wait, that'll make a sick transition. Hold on. Oh, that didn't not work. Right, so what we're gonna do now is get some cleaning wipes, or preferably alcohol wipes, or no, not alcohol. Yeah, alcohol wipes or isopropyl. I think that's what they're called, but I can't remember. I do have some upstairs, but I can't be asked to go upstairs with me. But yeah, get some cleaning wipes, and what you're gonna want to do, where the side skirt is gonna stick onto the sides, you want to make sure it's clean and there's no residue or no grit or dirt on it, or obviously it's not gonna stick on as well as it can. So yeah, make a start on cleaning that, and I'll see you guys when that's all done. The last time I used this was legit when I was playing the R32 bumper on the Golf. Oh, it's nice to be back. Guys, let me tell you right now, yeah, clean this shit properly, because what the hell? That's disgusting, bruv. Disgusting, bruv. Alright, so guys, we've cleaned both sides of the car now, and yeah, make sure, as I said before, you get all the dirt off, because there can be some quite stubborn dirt in these areas. But yeah, that's the boring stuff out of the way. Let's get on to the fun stuff. Okay, so I mean, first of all, obviously take this tape off, and oh bloody hell. First of all, obviously take this off, the double-sided tape off, which from previous experiences is not the easiest of jobs, but this time it came out quite easily. Alright, that is even focused. There, yeah, came out. Usually these are bloody hard to take off, and yeah, let's make a start, and fingers crossed it ends up well. Right, so guys, as you can see, this is what we've done so far, and we have come across a little problem which we'll address, but so far, as you can see, it is looking pretty good. And just so you guys know, when you do the edges of the side skirt, you want to like flare it out a little, because like where the obviously what do you call these parts, I have no idea, I forgot what you call these things. It's raining soon. Right guys, so as you guys can see, we have fast forwarded in time and it's a different day. I don't know if you guys can, let me turn this off. Anyways, it's a new day, and as you guys should have seen from the text I put over here, I've actually fast forwarded to,
It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Change gon' come.
Refuse to let the colonizer take over my tongue. Rap from the top of my lungs. Everybody in my hood hustle clean or dirty, soaking up game like a sponge. In my 20s going on before I hit.
I've actually fast forwarded it to the end where I've actually put it on both sides, and the reason being is, when I tell you, it legit took me 3 minutes. It legit took me 3 minutes to get it on, but for some reason the whole video took like 50 minutes, and I don't want to bore you guys with me putting on like I'm sure I don't have to teach you guys how to like stick something on anyways. But yeah, basically the point is, I don't want to waste your guys' time. I want to make the video quick and straight to the point, because you know your time is valuable to me. And yeah, so as you guys can tell, I've already put the side skirts on both sides, and as you can also tell, it turns out, in my opinion, it turned out really nicely. The reason why I'm showing you this side first and not the other side, we might have had some issues on the other side, but we'll get onto that next time. But yeah, the side skirt's on, and yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Super happy. It turned out perfectly well on this side anyways. And what do you want to mention to you guys before you do stick it on, two things to consider. There is, if I show you underneath, is it gonna focus? Where it should be there. Can you guys see a cutout I made over there? What you'll notice here when you do put your side skirts on, there's a screw there which you can't stick over, because well, you shouldn't anyways. So what you should do, get scissors and just cut a little like insert so you're not blocking that screw. And what I also done, as you can see over here, what I done, literally all I done, I cut it diagonally so it looks more like you don't have to do this, but the thing is, if you leave it, it kind of looks shit basically. This just cleans up a little bit. It makes it look a bit more, it just makes it look a bit more nicer, if you get me. And you can do the same to the rear, but honestly I just left it the rear. And moving to the other side, here's where things got really messy, and most of the reason why the actual video I recorded took like 20 bloody minutes, and I don't want to bore you guys. So here's the side where shit kind of went wrong. I mean, first of all, as you can see, it kind of got wet in this area, so it didn't really stick nicely, as you can see. I know it's not bad, but I'm OCD with this kind of stuff, and like, yeah, so what I'm gonna do probably like in my own time, get some double-sided tape and re-stick this on like that. But yeah, that's one side, and if I show you guys the other side, again, it's not really stuck on nicely here. As you can see some white tape there, which is all temporary. I'm gonna redo this whole section, but yeah, just my advice to you guys would be, do it when it's not raining. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys. Don't be an idiot like me. What do you guys think? I'm actually super happy with it. I think it looks really nice if you do it properly, if you do it nicely. And yeah, I'm really glad. As you can tell, I cut it, same thing over there. I made sure I cut it. Let me give you guys a quick side profile. there you can see it from the side. And honestly, for like what it cost me £10, it cost me £9 per strip. For £8 per strip, you can't go wrong. You really cannot go wrong. I mean, you know what, let me show you the nice side, because honestly the reason why it kind of flopped here, that was completely my fault and not the tape's fault. As you can tell here, I can't really show you guys because there's a wall here, but yeah, honestly it looks really nice. And like I continuously said, you can't go wrong for something as cheap as this. Please do leave any comment suggestions what you'd like me to do next to this car, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Say your name in every single prayer. That's real love, it takes dedication. When I see you, say mashallah, look at that creation. Subhanallah, I'm amazed when I see the shine on the face. Baby girl, we can go play.